Hey guys, we are in the warehouse of Baolida factory. Baolida factory is the greenhouse manufacturing place, and we got production lines of these pipes here, and those are bending in our factory here. So you can see our production engineer right now there checking, and is checking it precisely, and we will do sampling of this Turner greenhouse arch road here. So you can see this. This is the area that we are doing this sampling, testing one of them, and we will put this as the to put this piece together, the W racks and the beams, just the pots, all of them we will place together here. So you can see all those pipes are bended and galvanized. So 10 to 15 years lifespan is available for those strong pipes. I think this should be like 48 millimeter of the diameter of this steel pipe. So here to this way here. So collecting by those screws. So just screw in the connection like this, adjacent here. And here, this is in the middle of it. So right there in the middle. So here, from here, and there. So our engineer is checking the bending angle of this. So this is the 8 to 10 meters Turner greenhouses arch road. So let's take a look. From here to there, we are also. Alright. So we are marking those area and to see where to put the screws for a customer when the customer receiving the greenhouse structure here. Right, so you can see we're testing by angles. Alright, finish. So both sides we are just fixing like that. We will put beams and W racks. So this is the beams. Cross brace beams, also we call them. So these are also the galvanized steel, which is quite stronger. Should be like 32 millimeter size of this beams. Self-tapping screws are used often. So this kind of self-tapping screws. Here, self-tapping screws. And we are just tapping here. So now we are installation for the cross brace of this Turner greenhouse and the round roof Turner greenhouse here. So we'll just do one sample, and you will understand how we do it. Just screwing it, and over that area we will also using the self-tapping screw to tighten this area. So watch out. So today we will also deliver those pipes to the customers in domestic. And for the Turner greenhouse frame structure, we normally packing it by nude. We also available for the wood packing. Package all those parts in one wooden box. Alright, so that area is fixed. So this video will take a little bit longer, and we will follow the engineer working on this. So let's see the length of this here. There. So the beam so this should be like 750 centimeter, 7.5 meters. The beam size here. All right. So we're still adjusting it. So the combination of turn-on greenhouse is quite simple. So you can just directly put down the arch rod into the soil, like the depth of the into the soil within 50 centimeters to 1 meter. So if the area have the heavy snow, you can put arch rod into the soil like 1 meter. Regularly we put like 60 centimeter would be enough. Alright, so I think today's video is here. So to make this video precise, and alright. So this is just finished halfway here. When the engineer complete this project, and then we can take shorts maybe later. All right.